Welcome to the video, guys. In this video I'll tell you a very simple remedy to increase your body immunity. For this remedy you need only 4 things that are easily available in your kitchen. 1. Cumin seeds. 2. Grated ginger. 3. Garlic slices. 4. Cinnamon. To make drink you need 1 glass of water as well. Now pour a glass of water into a pan on stove and put all spices one by one into pan. Garlic slices. Cinnamon sticks. 1, 2 are enough. Cumin seeds. Half spoon enough. And then add grated ginger. Cook it now for 3 to 5 minutes. Cover it, guys, and wait for 3 to 5 minutes until it cooks very well. Guys, as you are watching, that color of water turns into yellowish. Now cool it at room temperature. Then strain it into a glass or cup as you wish. Okay guys, remedy is ready. Drink it once a day and secure yourself against all kinds of diseases, viral threats. This is it, guys. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thanks.